Hi guys, welcome back. It's another week, another oil, and there's Fluffy over there in the corner that way. Okay, so this week we're going to talk about balance. Balance. So this is a grounding blend. Blah, blah. It provides a whole body sense of relaxation. It may even help ease anxious feelings, which it does. Evokes feelings of tranquility and balance. Hi, Christy. Um, so yeah, the grounding blend, it has spruce, frankincense, hoe wood, that makes me laugh, blue tinsy, and blue chamomile. So spruce was used by Native Americans for health and spiritual reasons, and it's still used today to bring harmony to the mind and body. I thought that was a fun fact and had to share. So hoe wood, blue tinsy, and chamomile can ease anxious feelings, while frankincense provides grounding, balancing, and effects on emotions. So yeah, when you're having an upside down kind of day and you're losing your shit, balance is your oil, I'm telling you. You could put it on the bottom of your feet to promote feelings of calmness and tranquility throughout your day. Apply to pulse points, your wrists, the back of your ears, the back of your neck. And this will help ease anxious feelings. I diffuse in the car to create calming, soothing environment. So I got this little gizmo. It's a clip. I got it at doTERRA's convention. It was $10. And you open it up. Oh, let me show you. Open it up, and there's a little felt in there. So I just do 2 to 3 drops, plop it in, close it, and then I clip it to the vents. And then when I turn on the air, that scent rushes in, and it makes the car very tranquil, which is great because, oh my God, my commute is hella awful. I'm not even joking. Okay, so that gets me through. And then I have this cute little guy here. This was a gift from my Aunt Carrie. She had one, and I was just obsessed with it. Oh my God, so good, you guys. So there's a little vial in there, and it has like a cotton stick, and you fill it up, and it's a diffuser, personal diffuser. I pop it in my purse. I keep it on my desk. So when I'm having those anxious moments, especially before a meeting, or I got to talk to someone I don't like, I just inhale and I'm good to go. Okay. So that's it for balance. I don't have a whole lot, but it's my favorite. I use it a lot, and I had to share. So I do want to take a minute to talk to you about the one thing I hear over and over from people that I've talked to about essential oils, and they say, it's so expensive. It's just expensive. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. It is. It's on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for, right? So I wanted to give you a couple of tricks to stretch, because in a 15 milliliter bottle, you get about 250 drops. If you're going to use topically, you just need 1 or 2 drops. If you're going to ingest it, 1 or 2 drops. If you're going to diffuse, I would say definitely 3 to 4, maybe 5 drops. I wouldn't go more than that. And I see a lot of these diffusing blends that call for a ridiculous amount of drops, and I don't buy that, because every research I've done, it says to do 3 to 4. I kind of do 5 on some. It depends on the size of my diffuser, of course. But yeah, I don't do more than that. And you shouldn't either. There's really, it's excessive, and you're wasting, you're throwing money down the diffuser, I swear. So I have this this little 5 milliliter, which has about 85 drops. And this, I'm gonna butcher the name of it. It's Arbavarte. Hi, Rachel. It's a woodsy smell. It's a tree, a bark or something. And oh man, that smells so good. So anyway, I had just a teeny tiny bit left, and I don't want to waste. Usually I will pop the top off and put some reeds in it, and then I can diffuse that way. So I stretch that out. And then lately, I want to say Oil Life is the company that carries these little roller tops that fit right on the bottle. These are brand new, so I racked up on those. It might be Aroma Tools. I'll have to look it up, but I'll put all the product places where you can go to find this stuff in the comments. So I put this, so I filled it up with fractionated coconut oil and put this top on, and then I could just roll it on my pulse points. It smells so good. So that's one way to stretch your dollar. Another way, if you don't want to buy these, you can also get these. These are super cheap. You can get them on Amazon, anywhere, everywhere. And it's just a roller bottle. You throw in, and this is a 5 milliliter, I believe. So you just put in 3 or 4 drops. Again, you don't need a ton. You don't need a ton. It's a misconception that you need a lot of oils. You don't. What you need to do is do a few oils, but do it 2 to 3 times a day. Just like medication, just like a prescription that your doctor writes 2 to 3 times a day, right? Every 2 to 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours, same thing. So top it off with fractionated coconut oil and you're good to go. By the way, anybody that wants this is a flu balm. Flu season is coming, and if you have any recollection of what happened last year with the flu season, it was no bueno. You could totally have this. Just let me know you want it and I will ship it to you, no problem. What else? Where's another way? Oh yeah, so if you don't want to buy these little clip things, just get a cotton ball. And again, 2 to 3 drops on the cotton ball, stick it in the vent, and you're happy-go-lucky. You'll be tranquil. Cool. I think that's it. Yeah, those are my tips for the day. All right, so next week, you guys. Next week is going to be awesome. So next week is going to be about Serenity. Serenity. This is a game changer, you guys. I'm telling you. Everybody that I follow or know that use this, they get the best. I sleep like a baby. I'm not kidding. So I will share what Serenity is, and I will also share my nighttime routine. So it's not just Serenity that I use. I use a couple of oils actually, and I sleep so good. And I'm a mom. I shouldn't be sleeping that well, but I do. So I get my 6 to 7 hours. If I could get 8 and 9, I would, but you know, mom life, right? So Serenity is next week. I cannot wait to share that with you. It's going to be off. It's going to be amazing. I don't even know where I was going to go with that. Okay. So that's it. That's all I got. You guys have an awesome day. The rest of your day. It's almost nighttime. Sun's going night night. And I will see you next week. So take care. Hi, Vince. Yeah, Sugar Bear. What's up, man? All right. I've got to take off now and get the kids. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you next week, okay? Bye. See you.